Hey there, iOS users! If you've recently updated to iOS 17 and found that your notifications aren't working as expected, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this issue and get your notifications back on track in just 1 minute. First things first, let's check your notification settings. Open the Settings app on your device and scroll down to Notifications. Make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on for the apps you're having trouble with. If the issue persists, the next step is to restart your device. Simply power it off and then back on. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve notification problems. iOS updates can sometimes bring bug fixes. Make sure your iOS is up to date by going to Settings, then General, and Software Update. Install any pending updates if available. If the problem still lingers, you can try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, then General, and Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Be aware that this will reset your settings to default, but it may fix the issue. Lastly, ensure that you're not unintentionally in Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner and check if the crescent moon icon is not enabled. There you have it. These quick steps should help you get your notifications back on track after updating to iOS 17. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks.